sold an iron box to B at a 20% profit. B sold the same to C at a 10% profit. If C paid 528 for the iron box, find A's cost price. Please pause the video and try to answer your question. Okay. I hope done with your answer. A sold an iron box to B at 20% profit. Okay, A sold an iron box to B. A sold an iron box to B at a 20% profit. So A, B. Okay, so let's say A brought it for 100 rupees. So 20% profit, no? So you need to understand A cost price is 100, A selling price is 120. But you need to understand again, A selling price is nothing but B cost price. Okay. B sold the same to C at 10% profit. B sold the same to C at 10% profit. Okay, so B sold it to C at 10% profit. So what is 10% of 120? Don't write 130 here, please. Yeah, 10%. So here 20% means 20 extra. Okay, here 10%. What is 10% means what? 12. So 120 plus 12 is what? 132. Okay, 132. Yeah, 132. Okay, so 132. C paid how many? 528. C paid how many? 528. So 132, which is equals to 528. 528. Okay, 528. Then he is asking what? Find the A's cost price. What is A cost price? 100. Then 100, which is equals to, see, look at here. If I took 100, I end up with 132. But according to the question, this 132 is what? 528. So 132, which is equals to 528, then 100 equals to what? So if you calculate that, what you're going to get? You're going to get your answer as what? 400. If the selling price of 10 apples is equals to cost price of, if the selling price of 10 apples which is equals to cost price of 12 apples, then find the profit or loss percentage. Then find the profit or loss percentage. So look at here, forget about the apples. So please understand the situation. If the selling price of 10 apples which is equals to cost price of 12 apples, guys, we'll do in a traditional way. Then we'll all together we'll do in a good way of solving. Okay, look at here. The selling price of 10 apples equals to cost price of 12 apples. So 10 SP, which is equals to, okay, 12 CP. 12 CP. So from this, if you rearrange the situation, SP by CP, which is equals to 12 by 10. 12 by 10. So ask yourself a question. He brought it for 10 rupees. He is selling it for 12 rupees. He brought it for 10 rupees. He is selling it for 12 rupees. So definitely that fellow is going to get what? Profit. What profit? 2 rupees as profit. What profit? 2 rupees as profit. Okay. What is the profit percentage? Yeah, profit by CP into 100. Okay. Yeah, profit is what? 2. What is CP? 10 into 100. So, okay. So 1 by 5. 1 by 5 what? Everybody know. 1 by 5 what, guys? 20%. So the profit percentage here is what, guys? 20%. Okay, 20%. But this is a long way of solving. Okay, then how to solve this particular question? So ask yourself a question. Okay, look at this. The moment you read 10 SP, which is equals to 12 CP. Means what? There are total 12 apples. There are total 12 apples. Okay, there are total 12 apples. The selling price of 10 apples equals to, you sold 10 apples out of 12. By selling these 10 apples, okay, by selling these 10 apples, you are able to get 12 apples cost price. Means already what you have invested, you already got it. Yes or no? So if you sold the remaining two, that is your profit only, no? That is your what? Profit. So you need to understand by looking at the question 10 SP, which is equals to 12 CP. Yes, you are selling 10. Okay, you are selling 10, but you are getting what? 12. But you are getting what? 12. Means you are in profit. You are in profit. Guys, I want to clear this point. Profit or loss is always calculated only on cost price. Okay, only on cost price. And one more point, if you are selling your goods, okay, if you are selling your goods, what, 10 SP and 12 CP, don't think that selling price is 10 rupees, cost price is 12 rupees. No. Yes, after reading this question, you have decided that you are in profit. Guys, when you are in profit, okay, when you are in profit, your cost price is more than, okay, when you are in profit, your selling price is more than your cost price. Okay, there are two values in the question. When you are in profit, your selling price is more. Okay, your selling price is more. So this will become your SP. Your cost price is less. This will become your CP. Simple. If you want to profit or loss, always calculate only on cost price. How to figure out cost price? Simple. When you are in profit, your cost price is less. When you are in loss, your cost price is more. Now, what is the difference? The difference only profit or loss. What is the difference here? 2. Yeah, according to the question, you are getting profit. That is already, when you are in profit, you are going to compare with what? Cost price. What is the cost price? 10. So 2 by 10 into 100, that will give you what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what, guys? 20%. That's it. 1 by 5 is what? 20%. Please understand, after reading the question, please understand whether you are getting profit or loss. Okay. Once you are getting profit, your cost price should be small. What is the smallest value among these two? This is the smallest value. Yeah, when you are in profit, the difference only profit. What is the difference? 2. What is the smallest value? 10 into 100. So that will give you what? 20%. That will give you what, guys? 20%. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah. If the selling price of 12 oranges equals to cost price of 8 oranges. Yeah, now please ask yourself a question. Okay, ask yourself a question. What you need to understand, the selling price of 12 oranges, which is equals to cost price of 10 oranges. In a general way, you can do it. How? 12 SP, which is equals to 8 CP. Okay. So from this, what you can write? SP by CP, which is equals to 8 by 12. Done. Your cost price is 12. Your selling price is 8. So you are in loss. Loss of how many? 4 rupees. Loss percentage. Loss by CP. What is CP? 12 into 100. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. What is 1 by 3? 33.33%. 33.33%. Okay. But the point is this. But the point is if you are doing like this, it will take a lot of time to calculate it. What is the best way? What is the best way to solve? I told you. SP of 12 oranges equals to CP of 8 oranges. Guys, listen. you know, there are 12 oranges. Okay, there are 12 oranges. He sold all the 12. Okay, he sold all the 12, but he is getting only the cost price of 8 oranges. Whatever you brought 8 oranges, that price only you'll get. So remaining 4 oranges, you are in loss only, no? So that means what? Yeah, so you are selling 12 but you are getting only 8, means what? You are in loss. That's it. Loss of how many? So when you are in loss, your cost price should be more. When you are in loss, your cost price should be more. What is the loss? Difference is the loss. So what is the difference? 4. So loss is 4. Okay, your cost price is what, guys? 12. So what is the loss percentage? 4 by 12 into 100. So 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is what? 33.33%. 33.33%. Guys, you know, this is not a mug up thing. This is a purely concept based. Look at here. Look at here. 2 points you need to understand. When you are in profit, okay, when you are in profit, your cost price should be, okay, your cost price should be less. When you are in loss, your cost price should be more. Okay, when you are in loss, your cost price should be more. Okay, always the difference only profit or loss. So I can say, after deciding whether you are in profit, so your profit percentage is nothing but difference by, difference by smallest value into 100. Whether you are in loss, again the difference by, okay, highest value into 100. So that's how you can get your 2 answers. That's how you can get your 2 answers. Okay, that's how you can get your 2 answers. Next question. Okay, next question. Please, please try to a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price, but using a weight of 800 grams, okay, instead of a kilogram. Find his profit percent. So please understand the question. A trader uses, he is giving only 800 grams instead of what? 1000 grams. 1 kilogram, which is equals to what? 1000 grams. So he is giving 800 grams instead of 1000 grams. Okay, so he is asking profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage. So please, pause the video and try to answer it. Please pause the video and try to answer this question. Yeah, wait a minute, let me set up the things. You guys can try. Yeah, now look at here. Guys, please understand, there is a weighing machine. You want 1 kg of sugar. There is a digital meter. And there is a bowl. So you are pouring the sugar. Guys, look at here. According to the question, that the trader is cheating us. Instead of giving a kilogram, he is giving only 800 grams. So already he set up the things. So when you pour 800 grams, what it will show? 1000 grams. What it will show? 1000 grams. Let's say 1 gram which is equals to 1 rupee. 1 gram which is equals to 1 rupee means what, friends? Yes, cost price and selling price. Please understand very carefully. Yes, I am pouring 800 grams. So for the trader, his cost price, because he is giving only 800 grams, so his cost price is what? 800. But you are paying how many rupees? You are paying how many rupees? 1000 rupees. You are paying how many rupees? 1000 rupees. Yes or no? So when you are paying 1000 rupees, okay, when you are paying 1000 rupees, so your selling price, that the trader selling price is what? 1000. The trader selling price is what? 1000. So the trader is going to get a profit of what? 200. Profit of what? 200. What is the profit percentage? Yeah, profit by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100. So what is the profit here? 200. What is the cost price? 800 into 100. So 200. So 2 ones are 2 fours. So 1 by 4 is what, guys? 25%. 1 by 4 is what? 25%. Okay, 1 by 4 is what? 25%. Always people end up with this answer called what? 20%. But please mind it, it's not 20%. It is what? 25%. Okay, please understand the things. How 25%? Look at here. That fellow is pouring only 800 grams. Okay, for that fellow, the cost price is at 800. But you are paying how many? 1000. When you are paying 1000, you have to give 1000 rupees to that fellow. So that fellow is getting a profit of what? 200 rupees. Okay, 200 rupees. Please understand. Trader sells his goods at cost price. This is the keyword here. Okay, no one is going to sell their goods at cost price. If they are selling their goods at cost price, they are doing a fraud. Okay, they are doing what? A fraud kind of thing. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. So similar kind of question. Yeah, what is saying? A cloth merchant gives 80 centimeters of cloth for a meter. Okay, he's giving, for 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter, he is giving only 80 centimeters. Okay, he is giving only 80 centimeters. Okay, find his profit percentage. So please pause the video and try to figure it out. Okay, figure it out. Everybody know 1 meter. 1 meter means what? 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. There is a cloth, big cloth. This is 100 centimeters, but that fellow is giving only 80 centimeters. So the remaining 20 is what? Remaining 20 is what? His profit. So please understand cost price and selling price. Okay, 1 meter cost is 1 centimeter cost is 1 rupee. So 1 meter, which is equals to 100 centimeters. I am assuming 1 centimeter cost is 1 rupee. Then for that particular merchant, he is giving only 80 centimeters for 1 meter cloth. So his cost price is what, guys? 80. But his selling price, at the time you are paying for 1 meter, you need to pay what? 100 rupees. No. So your selling price is what? 100. Your cost price is 80. Your selling price is 100. So what is your profit? 20. So what is the profit percentage? This 20 is profit on which value? 80. So into 100. So 21s are 24s are. So what is 1 by 4? 25%. What is 1 by 4, guys? 25%. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.